Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to download OpenSea application on your iOS device. To download and install OpenSea on your iOS, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, launch open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top of the screen and type in OpenSea. Look for this OpenSea NFT marketplace application from Ozone Network and then download the application by tapping the install or the get button. Wait until the application gets downloaded and installed, which will take a couple of minutes. OpenSea is one of the largest and most popular online marketplace for buying, selling, and trading non-fungible tokens. Non-fungible tokens are unique digital assets that represent ownership of various items such as digital art, collectibles, music videos, and virtual items in games. Once the app is downloaded, click on the Open button. And there you have it. You have successfully installed the OpenSea application for your iOS. That is how it's done. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.